Ladies and gentlemen, this is the
hamwe kwa Mutongoria wa kiama kia ANC Musalia Mudavadi na murunawe wa Ford Kenya Moses Wetangula na guteaniria orumwe wao kana kunyitanira na munini wa Mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William Ruto ni undu utakoretwo gikenererwo ni arunake aciama itiganite. Akiaria ari kanitha-ini wa ACK St Faith Ongatarongai, Mudavadi augite ni ekite uthuthuria wake wega na oho gukorwo araniirie na arumiriri ake mbere ya atuite itua ria kurutithania wira na William Ruto amuhari ari niho akenya maigitwo muhari-ini wa mbere.
We want to have a coalition that puts Kenya first, a coalition that has clearly identified that Kenya's priority is going to be resuscitation of the economy. And this is where we converge, all of us.
Mudavadi augite atacokirie kinya ria kurutithania wira na Ruto kuona arunake ngwataniro-ini ya Oka aria ni Kalonzo Musyoka wa Wiper na Gideon Moi wa KANU ni maremirwo ni kunyitana na gwikira hinya urumo wa Oka na ithenya-ini riu makihana andu a kuiguirwo tha na kwenda kwigiritania na gucuhirira azimio la umoja.
When we were engaging with some of the members who were in that Oka wing, we could see that wao walikuwa wanataka kuegemea kwa mradi wa serikali na wananchi hawakutaka mradi wa serikali, wanataka wachague viongozi wao. So I stood with the people.
Mudavadi ni kinyete na kuuga ati wende kwenyenyio ni inegene ria kiuteti hamwe na gukirirwo, akiuga maya mothe maraumana na mururumo munene wa kiuteti uria riti iguru ria guo. Akiuga ati ANC, UDA na Ford Kenya mathondekete ngwataniro ya Kenya Kwanza na muoroto wa gukirio tonga wa bururi na oho kuiyukia giturwa kia o president.
We made it very clear that we are taking a different course. We were creating the earthquake that will make Kenyans make that decision. Wakenya wamechoka. Hawataki miradi ya serikali ambayo inafika pahali inakwama.
Mudavadi niateaniirie azimio la umoja akiuga ithugunditwo ni thirikari na Kenya matikamenyita baru.
ANC had told me very clearly that azimio is not an option. There is one other political muradi. Utakwama. Baadaye utakuwa ndovu nyeupe. White elephant kwa kisiasa.
Mudavadi akumagaritio ni atongoria matiganite hamwe na amwahu wa UDA. Gerifotera Kameme TV ni jetagwo Wangui wa Muirore.